Did you know that it's impossible to snore while you're fully awake? Snoring happens only when your brain enters sleep mode and your throat muscles relax. That's why most people don't even realize. They snore until someone tells them the next morning. In this episode of Did You Know?, we explore why snoring only happens during sleep and what makes those nighttime sounds so common. Fun fact, over 2 billion people snore around the world. Watch till the end to learn why your body just won't let you snore while awake.